After more than 6 months of renovating, we finally made it. We've completely renovated this 1940s duplex into a home that will fit our family's needs and still function as a duplex in the future.
We made the big move back in August with the help of some fantastic movers and help from family and friends. We miss the old place, but we're excited to build new memories here.
We've refinished all of the hardwood floors, painted everything, replaced all the doors and windows, added a new HVAC system, and installed an entirely new kitchen, bathroom, and living space inside and out.
We also added some special touches to make the home more functional and to give it more interest, like this functional foyer area and this gorgeous board and batten trim wall.
We hope you've enjoyed our journey over the past year, and we can't wait to see what's next.